Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change App Store country on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to change country in your App Store, so let's see how can you do that. So you just have to check for some settings to prevent any kind of issue to change your country or region in App Store. So very first you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection, or you can also try to connect with a different strongest and a stable network connection. Then go ahead to your settings app, go to general, and here go to VPN device management, and you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, just go back from here and go to language and region option, select region and select your own region in which you're living. After selecting your region, go back, go to date and time section, enable this toggle to set your data time automatically. Again, go back, go to software update, and try to update your software. After updating software, you have to go back and tap on your Apple ID here. And now in Apple ID, you have to tap on this subscription option to check if you have subscribed to any of Apple service. So if you have any subscription here, you just have to try to cancel or delete your subscription because pending subscription might hold any errors. So you just have to try to delete or cancel all the subscriptions. Then go back and here go to App Store. In App Store, just tap on the profile option in the top right and then tap on your Apple ID. Now you just have to try to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. Sometimes it might be verified with your Touch ID, so you just have to verify yourself. Now from here, you just have to select country or region option, and then you'll get all the country or regions available in App Store. So you have to select your own country or region or the country or region which you have just selected. Now just select your country or region from here. So for example, I'm gonna select this one from here and just tap on this continue option and then tap on agree in the top right. Now on this screen, you just have to try to add your payment method. If you have your credit card, your debit card, your PayPal account, your phone number, or something else based on your location, so you have to select that, then enter these requirement details. If you don't have any payment method, so you can select this none option from here, and then you have to add your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after all, just tap on done option in the top right, and your country or region will be changed in your app store. Or sometime if you're facing an issue, it might be the issue of your subscription, so you have to cancel all the subscriptions you have. Or sometime you might get the error of remaining balance, so you have to try to spend all our balance in your Apple Pay, and then you can easily change your country or region in your app store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.